guys, what is up? It's your girl Dr. Samara and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because guess what? It is free, and let's get into this video. But before we get into this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am no longer trading Fintora. Unfortunately, Fintora is no longer on MT4. However, I am still trading Forex. If you are a part of my trading community, you should know that I am still trading Forex, as well as if you are a part of my trading VIP signal groups, I am trading Forex. Now, the broker of choice that I am currently using at this time is Hankotrade Webtrader. They definitely have improved because they are using the platform of Tradingview. If you guys have been riding with me since the beginning, I always use Tradingview for purposes of education, to teach you guys how I chart, how I basically get an analysis of the chart within the market. So you guys should know what Tradingview is. If you are unfamiliar with Tradingview, I highly recommend you to basically start playing with it and understand the platform. Now, at this moment, I'm not trading using the platform of MT4. There's a lot of situations that goes around that simply because of the choices that I want to push forward, which is using unregulated brokers at this time. And that's just my personal preference. If you are someone who does not want to trade using an unregulated broker, that is totally fine. That is based on your preference, not mine. So remember that everybody who is a trader has different preferences. So don't think something is right versus the other. Everybody has their own way of trading, and whatever works for you works for you. So I have went to Hankotrade, and fortunately with Hankotrade, they have made a lot of significant improvements, which I can still trade on my phone. Now, I have provided a small clip, a small video, basically in short form here on my channel, where you can understand how you can use the Webtrader onto your phone, where it's more easier for you and available to you, especially if you don't have a PC or a desktop or a laptop to trade on the screen. Okay, so it's very important that if you are more comfortable with setting up your Webtrader on your phone, go to my short that I just created a couple of days ago, where it teaches you at a fast pace method of how to add it to your homepage and things of that nature. But other than that, let's finally get into this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keeping it street, we keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap, it never been.
Alright guys, so when you are actually on the Webtrader on your desktop, it is completely different. So when you're using it on your phone, it's a little bit more steps to it. But when you are using it on your laptop, it definitely is much more wider. You can actually see what everything is going on within the market. Everything is a little bit better. As you can see, you see a lot of everything that's going on. Right now, it is Sunday, so the market is open. If you are familiar with my trading strategy, I do not trade on Sundays because usually Sundays, you know, the market's just a little rocky to me. So I start fresh. Monday through Thursdays is the only days that I trade now. If you are a part of the VIP signal group, you would know that I send out at least 1 to 2 trades per day from Monday through Thursday. Hankotrade has it all the way from Forex pairs over here to your left corner, all the way from indices, commodities, and then crypto. Now, as I stated before, if you haven't purchased Bitcoin, get you some Bitcoin. Get you some Bitcoin. Okay, it's 2024. If you don't have Bitcoin in your investment portfolio, get it. Now, I'm not an advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. However, I do research and I do educate myself. And if you don't have Bitcoin, don't tell me nothing when things are looking real good. Okay, that's all I have to say. But anyway, this is everything here on the side for the left side, right? Now, another way that you can do it too, which I like, because again, guys, Hankotrade is using the platform of Tradingview. You can actually go ahead and search that. So right now, the girl indice, that girl indice right now that I am messing with hard is NAS USD, aka NAS 100, aka NAS. Okay, NAS is that girl. Okay, why y'all didn't tell me about NAS? Because NAS is something else, baby. NAS is that girl. So pretty much, it's literally the same thing. If you're familiar with my trading strategy, all you have to do is go here to the left corner, use your horizontal line here, create your support. I'm gonna just start right here. Okay, and there you have it. And then keep building from there. Now, if you want an in-depth video of me actually taking trades on the browser part of the Webtrader, which I am doing right now, comment down below if that is something that you're interested into. Now, also, if you're interested into me trading off of my phone, so you can get an idea of how simple it is, I can also create that video. Just comment down below your preferences, or if you just want me to create both videos, I am able to do so as well. Now, it does the same indicators as just like Tradingview. Everything is the same, which I like. So just because we're unable to trade MT4 using Hankotrade, if you're familiar with Tradingview, it's just as great. Is just as great as MT4, literally. Then the next thing, guys, here on the right side, you have some news going on. You have a calendar as well as an alert, which is also good too, okay? Now, with how to be able to create an order, it's simple. You have your market execution, you have your buy stop, and then you have your buy limit. Now, if you wanted a sale, you just click sale here. The same thing, market, sell stop, sell limit, okay? I'm just gonna put a buy because right now NAS is going in for a buy. And right now, the overall trend for NAS is an uptrend. So you guys know I'm gonna look for more buy opportunities. So if you wanted to go into the market wherever the price line is at now, this is the price level that NAS 100 or NAS USD is going for. And then as far as the quantity, that's literally telling you what lot size that you want to use. You guys should be familiar with lot sizes. If not, go onto the video that I have created about explaining lot sizes in pips. So that video is very helpful, especially if you are a beginner. And so that is basically what quantity stands for, is the lot size. Now it also creates the stop loss. If you are someone who trades with the stop loss, especially if you are a beginner, it's very important to have a stop loss always. Okay, and then it tells you what's the rate. So in order to have or create a stop loss, you would just have to check that box and then just put the price as to what stop loss you would like. So with a trailing stop loss, pretty much it is best to use it when you're in the profit already. So when you're in the profit, that pretty much symbolizes that, hey, I want to keep where my price level is at. However, in order for me to break even or to make a profit, I'm going to continue with increasing or decreasing my stop loss so that I'm able to still be in the profit area. So that's pretty much what it is. Then we also have take profit. And so here you go. Again, guys, you're just putting the price of what level you want for the take profit for yourself. Next thing, you have buy stops, and then you have the buy limit. It's the same thing. You go to advanced options, you go through all of the many different steps needed for your basically for your trade to go activated. Now, last but not least, if you look at the bottom, guys, we have our open trades. This will be where your open trades are at. You have your pending orders, of course, if you're creating a buy stop or buy limit. it will be within this column here. You also have your account history, okay? So if you can see here, last week I was able to make a total of $409 using my girl Naz, baby. When I tell y'all, if you're not in the VIP signal group right now, like, guys, a lot of us was hitting $400, $300, $500 on a Thursday. On a Thursday, guys, on a Thursday. Naz is that girl. Naz is definitely that girl. So if you're not a part of the group, go ahead, go into the description right now and sign up, because guys, we are profiting and we are making the money back. $50 is literally nothing at all, because $400 for one $50 bill per month is how many times? Comment down below, how many times is that? And you let me know if it's worth investing into yourself. And then over here, we have the transaction history of all the many different trades that you have taken. So I hope that this video was very helpful for you guys to get an understanding of what the Webtrader for Hankotrade looks like. It's definitely a vibe. I really, really enjoy the platform and the improvements that Hankotrade has developed. If you are a previous Hankotrade trader, you guys should know the service that Hankotrade provides, as well as all the many different opportunities that Hankotrade provides altogether. And if you haven't already joined the trading community, I advise you to join the trading community, because there's a lot of conversations as well as just guidance and education that I feel that if you are still lost, if you feel like you're not profiting, if you just feel like you're stuck, I think it's very important to be a part of a union in a community, because trading Forex is not a one person gig. You need community, you need guidance, you need just expert opinions from other people who have been doing it for some time now. So I think it's very important to just put yourself around people who are like-minded just as yourself and just join. And if you are someone who is wanting to basically get some signals, get some profits here and there, in case if you didn't see something in your charts, and you just want to make some profits, go ahead and sign up, guys. Literally, it's just $50. It's the cheapest signal group that you would have ever come across, because I know there's a lot of people who are charging an arm and a leg for signals. And guys, you guys already know how transparent I am. I do not need your money. However, it does take a lot of time out of my day to be able to send that information over to you guys. So of course, your girl needs to make some sort of profit, right? But $50 and you guys are making $300, $1,000 from there. I mean, and you're getting signals from Monday through Thursday. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Of course, there's going to be some days where I tell you guys, hey, I don't see anything and I'm not forcing to trade. And that's real. I would rather not make no money than to lose money. Okay. So you guys know, if you're in my VIP signal group, you know I do not play behind that. But other than that, I hope that this video was very helpful. I hope you guys understand that where my head is at this moment. But if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it's what? It is free, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.